Austria is a country of breathtaking natural beauty and rich history, where ancient castles blend seamlessly with stunning landscapes to create an unforgettable experience. From the capital, Vienna, to cities like Salzburg and Innsbruck, Austria takes you on a journey through culture, art, and nature. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of 7 incredible destinations in Austria, along with essential travel tips, including the best times to visit, travel costs, transportation options, and top dining spots. Vienna, the heart of Austria, is a city of art, music, and history. From Schönbrunn Palace and its stunning gardens to the Museum of Art History, every corner reveals a glimpse of imperial grandeur. Don't miss the lush green parks like Prater and the shopping experience at the famous Mariahilfer Street. Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart, boasts breathtaking natural scenery surrounded by the majestic Alps. Visit Mirabell Gardens, take a peaceful stroll around Lake Fuschel, and explore the charming Old Town with its classic European ambience. Nestled in the heart of the Alps, Innsbruck is a paradise for nature lovers and winter sports enthusiasts. From skiing adventures to enjoying the picturesque views of the Inn River, the city offers a mix of thrilling activities and cultural experiences. Be sure to walk across the Maria Theresian Bridge for spectacular mountain views. Austria's second-largest city, Graz, is a fascinating blend of historic architecture and modern life. Explore Graz Castle, wander through the old town streets, and visit the vibrant traditional markets that showcase the local culture. Zell am See is one of Austria's most picturesque destinations, offering scenic boat rides, lakeside strolls, and exciting water sports like swimming and kayaking. Kaprun is a dream come true for mountain and winter sports lovers. The Kitzsteinhorn Glacier is one of the best skiing spots in Austria, providing breathtaking panoramic views of the Alps. Hallstatt is a charming, postcard-perfect village where you can take boat rides on the serene lake, enjoy nature walks, or take a cable car up to admire stunning panoramic landscapes. Best time to visit Austria: summer, June, August. Ideal for exploring cities and nature. Winter, December, February. Perfect for skiing and alpine adventures. Spring, autumn. Great for fewer crowds and reasonable prices. Travel costs and accommodation. Hotels. Budget hotels start at 70, while luxury hotels begin at 150 and above. Food. Meals range from 15 to 30 at mid-range restaurants, while fine dining starts at 30 per person. Transportation in Austria. Trains. Comfortable and efficient, connecting major cities, with ticket prices starting at 25 for short trips. Buses. A budget-friendly option for smaller towns and rural areas. Car rental. A great choice for exploring Austria's countryside at your own pace. Safety and water quality in Austria. Austria is a safe sea.